If you talk about real number, so a number that is either rational either rational or irrational number is a real number. So this is the definition of real number. Example of real number are all rational or irrational and irrational. Like if we talk about the example of real number, that is root 3, root 5, root 5 by 2, root 7, 1, 3, 5. They are all examples of rational number. Now the next is number system and the representation of natural number, whole number, integers and rational number on the number system. Representation of irrational number on the rational number system is a difficult work. But first हम क्या देखेंगे, natural numbers, whole numbers, integer and rational number. So the first is number line. What is number line? So a straight line on which points are identified with real number. Okay, a straight line on which points are identified with real number. Next is successive integers are placed on the number line at regular intervals. It means अगर हम बात करें तो if this is a line, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is -1 and this is -2. So they are the successive integers. It means first is 0, next is 1, next is 2, next is 3 and next is 4. And if we go left hand side, then -1, -2, -3, they are all successive integers. And also यहाँ पे एक और बात हम ध्यान क्या रखेंगे, they are all in the same interval. It means if we talk about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, अगर यहाँ पे 5 यूनिट है तो इसमें भी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, इसमें भी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये सारे के सारे का डिस्टेंस क्या है, सेम है. ये सबका डिस्टेंस क्या है, बीच में सेम है. सो सक्सेसिव इंटीजर्स आर प्लेस्ड ऑन द नंबर लाइन एट अ रेगुलर इंटरवल. नेक्स्ट इज representation of natural number. Representation of natural number. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So first draw a line. Second step is mark a point on which it represents 0. Mark a point on the number line. Mark a point on the number line which represents 0. Okay. Next is now on the right hand side of the 0. This is right hand side. Now on the right hand side of the 0, mark point at equal intervals of length as shown below. This. So at the right hand side, successive integers we have to write. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and next, and they are at their regular interval of equal length. This is 5, so they are of equal length. Okay, so this is the representation of natural number. 0 is not a natural number. Representation starts from here. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Now representation of whole number. Representation of whole number. Okay, so representation of whole number. So this similar जो हम ऊपर पढ़े थे कि draw a line, mark a point on which it represents 0. Now on the right hand side of the 0, write dash dash dash, write mark point at equal interval of length as shown below, like this. First draw a line, mark 0, and on the left hand side or right hand side, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on the right hand side, mark point at equal intervals of length as shown in this figure. So it represents, it goes to indefinitely. Okay, so these points represents whole number, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So this is the representation of whole number in which 0 is also included. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Next is representation of integers. So the number line is same. Representation of integers. Representation of integers. So now in this we have to write on the left hand side as well as right hand side. This is -1, this is -2, this is -3. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. So these are the representation of integers on the number line. Again, if we represent rational number, so no problem. If we have to represent rational number, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and in this between there is something 1 by 2. In this between there is something 3 by 2. In this between this is -1, so this is -1 by 2. So they are the representation of a rational number. -1 by 2 is also a rational number. 1 by 2 is also a rational number. 3 by 2 is also a rational number. 0 itself is a rational number. 1 is a rational number. 2 is a rational number. They are all rational numbers. So this is the representation of rational number. So rational number can be represented by same points on the number line. First step is draw a line. So mark a point on which it represents 0 and identify these points. Okay, 1 by 2 comes between 0 and 1. 3 by 2 comes between 1 and 2. -1 by 2 comes between -1 and 0. So these are the representation of rational numbers on the number line. Okay.